Guys, what is going on, man? I'm here in Florence, Italy. Um, I was told, so I was asking. I'm a bit of a foodie. Okay, I don't know if you know that, but I love food. Love me some food. Okay, so I heard about the Osteria dell'Enoteca. I tell you in the description. It is considered the greatest Florentine steak on the planet. It's meat off the bone. You gotta buy it by the kilogram. So it's not like I get a small steak. It's like you gotta share it. So I'm here on my own. So I'm not sharing. So I'm just having this massive plate to myself with the Florentine steak off the bone. This is the best part of the steak, right off the bone. This is kind of putting Florentine food on the map. In Florence, you gotta have one of these. Wow, it's got so much flavor, man. Dude, this is fire. Bit of the fillet right here. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Bush, what's up? You come to Italy to eat, and I've been having so much carbs, man. It's just pizza, bread, pasta. I've been craving protein. So I was so stoked when I was talking to Eva Palma, the #1 latte art champion in Italy. She works at Ditta Artigianale, which is the best coffee in Italy. And she said, man, you gotta just come here. Come to this steakhouse. It's the best on the market in Florence, Italy. What's up, Bill? Dude, I met a bunch of people from Detroit the other day, man. I was thinking about you, dude. How's life in Michigan? Dude, I'm eating the best Florentine steak in the world in Florence, Italy. So pumped right now. They tried to give me some of these, I don't know, man. It's like hard to get excited about spinach, right? I mean, potatoes. You don't come to Italy to eat potatoes. You know what I mean? I'm happy to have a steak, bone in. That's a good bone. Well, shit is delicious, okay? It's delicious. Jenica, my mom and dad are exploring Florence right now. So I'm just out here, man. I was like, gotta try the steak. So, man, love you guys. If you're ever in Florence, I do recommend Osteria dell'Enoteca. Jolene, what's up? Bless you. Man, there's some fire going on right here. Beautiful restaurant. All the brick. See out the window. It's like a little basement keller. Free sparkling water. Not bad. Anyway, love you guys. Have a good day. As always, Jesus loves you. Peace.